27 minutes to the top of the hour. Nyabotre, obeye manabro adwen so. Obeye amanabro nti ase so. Nyabotre. Hemra kakra bi. Ansha no akotu anamobone. Nyabotre cherade. Kakra bi. And Febo phone to anamon wate. As well. Behind Bepie. And take one question in Yabotre. The good morning offer from Vodafone. Only a wakachi. Vodafone say good morning Ghana. Ghana phone in a more wana. Network a dream what wasi. Network a so was in a brow. Awunya Vodafone. Vodafone say Omawa Kenya with just one CD pet. Vodafone to Vodafone calls there will be yes Vodafone penny to me my offer way. Vodafone pet and just one Ghana CD. Over to me Akasa from Vodafone to other networks. 5 minutes. Yeah, they chow. Vodafone pet. And a bit to me amount 500 megabyte data and out their browsers just one Ghana CD. Network banner de Bemau. Vodafone say together we can. The prime person now bet me afar. Vodafone good morning offer we. Also bet me take it part. A patch of dial 543. Say see and I say a patch of star 543 hash. Star 543 hash. A patch of just one Ghana CD. Would them what Vodafone together we can. And she shake a crowd home. Abusia and Ranyumre. They call Happy Bloomer School. Happy Bloomer School. A 11-month-old Akalano. So share footage on CCTV. Footage in a bar out and write it to your Facebook page. And to make a phone or make a share. As a latest, at the same. Abusia me call a school no yatum. Patch your padlock at them, a way tree, and ya nim. There is no security as usual. The mom not ya so light ever home. Nobody to talk to. Na me bomba den na emrantie mienu etwam wo ho. Na me bisa omo say anyambia moti area omo say o an yete ha. Na me say munim school way omo say an o yenim ha na we ni see ye no. Na me say okay nkrofo yi ambe wo fela kakra. Na me say o school no niwura ewan. Omo say oh niwura. Baby ote dia yenim because a dime be ebo school no nti me ka say bi e ho na niwura na ehye. Enti na me pe. Ana mo say oniwura de baby ote yenim. And I'm say school ni ye bie no time say oh school no mo bie crime say afa na ekọ 1 year. And I'm say oh ye bie ye nchai. And I'm oh Debbie brother Debbie. Ah ye bie ye nchai say ye ya ha ya na ye wo. And I'm say sa na anyambia mo share school na te say oh boss school ni dia eh papa o. Che ekuku damfo me say ade ache na ho class e ba. School dia papa na dia ba ye no kra no. Ra ye nti ase. And I'm say oh anyambia sa ma me na asem ne fa no monim oh awa no anti akua de oyenim no oh opani passe anti eba ne sana ye kraye ye wanwa because onim nkola so hwe so anti minim afa ba ku ne go kasa minim se bia ani akola ne ma me wa asema na say oh debi o de me emfa wansa because Oshem Kolaso, Yenim so Oshem Kolaso. Enti Ebane saying, I must say, boss, Yasemo, Yenim, and I'm say, oh, really? But Mama me feel like a cry. Well, rescue more pain. I'm say, oh, Mamma, no. Ah, you know, you would die no more fepa now, almost yes, your come. I said, you're Jim Kola. I dear Koye. Nambisa say, Mamma, no, or yeah, you may be a can way one. I must say, oh, Debbie, and no Pebia Waha. What you say, school now near Jumo Bay. But your mamma more on a contact, a yes, school run. I must say, oh, Debbie, Munim Baby or Teso. Okay, and to me, then, Craig, guys, and it's a Miss Samuel Monia, dear mamma. dia mombo modern na mon hwehwe ma me na chi akwan ma me e pese me kosra no na me ne chichi nkomo no mo si oh boss yate na me J guys number ya exchange contact boys na ja ye gina ho chichi nkomo babra Facebook na be hwe me ye video be from the school are you at 05 the better Facebook and check ye video be from the school and temperature Facebook na be hwe why ye be koswa the update no e the amount e catch you say couple na amoba ewu ya no a pastor friend be na sorry no mo kon nti enu aso me ko share me pastor friend na me see o eja me pa che wo person me visit couple no na ye ne omo nto na see o kwasi me go so ani omo kasa ye me che say yawde wom but we dey yen hwan ko do Thursday because baby are doing kakra yen hwan ko do Thursday because they say the omo pese obia beba aji abusuafo pe nti by Thursday amami ankasa kra no kwasi ada omo ba sorry ye beji mi wie ye de call mo fie na ma phone so kasa mama space kakra bem mama we so mo hiata anti yen hwe Thursday bem na mitimi kwasra couple na mo sam nyina me de bebrel it is well what that's why the so GD are you at 05 venture video no the better home na fe wa share video no yeah because here from the school hall the better one wa share be Shannon so mama say rade be na fe your children upon Jacob and bro again so exactly 7 a.m. Euro 2020 Emrana so Euro 2020 they share all the world best players Amo parody in one tournament if it the 11th of June ekopim the 11th of July 1 whole month at multimedia pe unya ne baby Euro 2020 da ya kukum da ya beti actually ya boso unya ne baby Obesha Joy Prime, watching Adum TV. After commentary, no. But your radio stations, Nina. Insura FM, Love FM, Asempa FM, Adum FM, Joy FM, and Hits FM. Nina, you run a commentary at the amount Euro 2020. All the excitement, the skills. But your Wunyane baby, the multimedia. That is why we are multimedia. That's right. We are the generals in the media. Adipebia, Obenya na multimedia. 24 participating teams. And a countries in Maku 8. And a tournament in the Bekosuo. Euro 2020, Ekoye Bruta. 11th of June, Ekopim the 11th of July. Live. And free on your TV. Ya de maukwa. Also TV afatu Adum TV what? Now for your chat commentary the mouse Shannon Samame say multimedia group. Yan ye the home of Euro 2020. Obesha live and when you that Philly experience our Adum TV, our Joy Primer. But your HD from a boho de Rachirosa. HD TV, the Philly experience and in the HD decoder. That experience I'm on our Euro 2020 a day bro. Now Euro 2020 coverage, you know. But your Betway. Oceana will bet it. Oceana will bet it. Obe bet it. So no way dinu when you see kana. A Betway. Azar Group. I have a DBS Industries. I'm on a partner multimedia. Euro 2020. I was your Facebook. Mami never share. I me call Happy Bloomer School no. About your brassesia na be share video no. Na share school no baby e wo. A preschool crèche, Happy Bloomers. I was there yesterday. Sunday I was there. And Rami Koho me go check it and then me Koho. Throughout the week me Koho. It's a very beautiful school. We share flower ne where nim no crown out to say oh what day. A school where Koye. A dine scene chaya because a new run diano. And no so na wo hono. That is a school environment. Very neat. Happy Bloomers. Hana Semne Koso. Quite unfortunate. It's an 11-month-old baby. I best suffer this ordeal. Yeah, some more. I'm a man if about your Facebook says here, I'm a video no, from the Happy Bloomer School. Just come and watch and see it for yourself. Have that experience of the school. The school is under lock and key. Yeah, the credo atum. Yeah, that's it. Happy Bloomers. School need the FA. Auntie boys na boys no kra na me mom HR video no me camera na me phone no anti omo na dey ya akwa no me nim onim for nyi twapa Happy Bloomers afọ radio amos ya nya ne den ada batutu open den wa yasem Abusia ya get diggy CBG I say let's get diggy star 924 hash CBG with trusted bank. This covered that break. All the branches are open almost 7 with 100% customer service. Our customer service they move for Unya Ubra Bank ne ready. Sibia near the share Krasika now account to crowd to say ready. A bank with me wada. That's right. Unya baby I just CBG. CBG Simin can just cover that break. Almost ATMs operate electronic platform including the USSD I say get diggy star 924 hash. But your CBG and Emma way. CBG see follow ya our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. A CBG Bank Limited. But your for further enquiries, fresh 0302 216 000. CBG see we stand with you. Abushabra Facebook mami wati. Ebeshe Happy Bloomer School. Ebacha obeshe video dia to was see na footage and so one chain. School in there, in fact, the day I make a question, I'm saying, oh, school way there. They call you back. Be in the back of where be a shiny environment in a crown. Wow, what a school! What a school! Very beautiful. But your Facebook, why? Happy Bloomer School. The environment alone, a fresh. Okay, in a related development, but also Rastafarian and Kolana Chimota School say, hey, Yanji Omoda, Yanji Omo Komonko, not in the Hujim, Naga in the Hujim. About Rastafarian for the Mudimu Hujim Kasasa. You are changing curriculum and who textbook in mind. And no did the Momo. And Kola Rastafarian say, you know, and you did the school, and the school has rules, and we must follow the rules, and then. Meanwhile, only textbook to back the curriculum, and the monk can want them. And the more you do, because more can serve victimization, baby. And the school need your mohode. Okay, ruling about court ruling a crossing. Enter any daddy Bosco, I bet you think come on. Because me can't pass a buy, you know. And then to change home command. As they see a ruling Nabano. I don't see a better change home command. But still stay with me. Our Facebook now fish a Happy Bloomer School video no. I make you feel one. The Bacho Brana Afe Beshe. I had 106.3 FM. Just so send to me. Enjoy this piece. The banner for you to change come on. Okay, we see 8 minutes after 7. May call Humana Sonafe, the chairman of the Rastafari Council, Ghana, Ahoma Bosco Okanse, aka Daddy Bosco. And then you come on, Daddy Bosco, what's the make respect? Aya, what them say?
Yes, I Ras Atempa.
That's right, rich man. You know, say, and then Bessa Patwa Neba. Good morning, Patwa Mokane say. What them say? The Bosco man, the Bosco man, the Bosco man.
Yes, man.
Blessed things, man. Shall I do an equation?
Yamina Dumu.
Great. And our body has the Bibiakoye. Make I say, Safari and Kolayas and Baye. Me know to home come on my car say mo be test law no. I should said yet here. But you know, say my friend Daddy Bosco, yentie we kakra.
Kwafo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi etu bebo Adom online ewo unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba na fe wa download unya download the app na behu bibia ya bia you program dada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya short na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohuni both multimedia stations in now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no click so.
Right and justice. Daddy, you did it.
Yes, sir.
Daddy Bosco, no, who call court in be?
Aye.
Great. And the Boyamania, they are the course of court.
Yes, you were caught, you say.
Yeah.
In summary, because first, when I caught me, I set it for 9 o'clock. Into by 8, 9 o'clock. But, yeah, message said, ruling about 1:30.
Okay.
Into 1:30, Ohimano say, Obiampi court, na nkoswa of court, like, directing the case into Ohimano, me all kind of say, me Achimota school, say, Mkolano inform to you school. It's an infringement on their human rights because the manifestation of their religious beliefs.
And the Bosco Bato, ma oneso kakrama me, why?
Okay.
Right.
In Tinami can say, or a man judge can say, Achimota school see, ma omu fa omu training omu locks no ma school no. It's an infringement of their human rights because of training is a manifestation of their faith.
Okay.
In summary, son fair. On that basis, Achimota school has to take the children.
And you know, Okasi should be as Achimota school. I was say, omo admit it in Kolano.
Sir.
But Achimota school now a more representation work court.
I said, lawyers in court.
And ruling the buy and the lawyers in the car.
Oh, sir. Who court now? Judge ma ruling. I said, oh, yeah, I think in this case, they could go to the appeal court and all that, and then drag out to the Supreme Court. So, but in this case, morally, say, court, I can't share school, say, you cannot do this. Now school needs to see obituary. I don't think it's the way to go.
Lawyers in Emma, any indication whether a mobile appeal? Okay. And now that the ruling Nabano, what next?
What next is the school has to the court. It's a court to ensure that school no. So that on that basis, the school no. Because I don't think Achimota school will say, oh, because Your friend is court. And I'm more about court, say, no. And she engine not once so much baby. Near short procedurally, there has to be a letter from the court to the school. Na bio kwa na school na nkola mo school.
Right, I'm saying Daddy Bosco eka say me pacho bra Facebook na fe be hwede a course work court the jubilation and after the ruling or mo pie ba bontin on bra Facebook na be share said na Rasta for wo krom abra verdict in abide but Daddy Bosco and how long will it take and a court and be communicated to Achimota school?
Hopefully your lawyer needed DHE in the sure this shouldn't take more than a couple of days. Say your friend is saying Tuesday. So you're sure say by I check by Wednesday, Thursday, such a letter should have been done and sent to the school.
Right.
So hopefully by Juana school.
I see the excitement on Facebook. Make sure say see and Nkolano no more court hobby.
Aye.
And see verdict in a buy and how was the feeling like?
Oh. You cannot imagine because we had faith say we get a positive ruling. But you cannot tell. Okay. So, and you can see from the videos, say it was more than a party.
Yeah. With what I'm seeing there, I'm sure more fireworks yesterday. Respect, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know, see. Yeah, sure, the boys got died. I mean, see, there was that rook call, man.
But what it is, we were working till late in the night because right after Ruben moved, there were interviews.
Okay.
From run till time I could die.
Right.
Yeah, because one woman I'm friends who community house. It's been quiet.
Oh. And see, that man a party in Bebaso. Oh, okay. Almost started school.
Yes. Yeah, for 14. Then we can plan the party September.
Daddy Bosco.
Yes, sir.
Respect, man. I do your side.
Okay.
Sharp, man. We go vibe. All right. For Daddy Bosco, Rastafari Council Chairman, Ghana, Ahadia. Indeed, what join here? Ruling in Yaba from the courts, say Achimota School. Now, Amumpil, court is with the Shanashe. There was some of Fancolano.
None of them want to die.
So, I mean, for this one, I'll say, on the issue of the Rastafarian, the court has made my day. Founders of Achimota School will be happy in their graves. As young as age 6 in the primary department, the school crest, which is the representation of the piano, taught us that you can play music on both the black and the white keyboard. But if you wanted a harmonious tune, you play both the white and black keyboard together. What this taught or teaches us is that at all times and regardless of our diverse backgrounds, harmony and peaceful coexistence was necessary among all races, be it black, white, or mixed race. Achimota School taught me values of love and unity, which I hold dear till this day. Frank Asaria Yesu, thank you. Thank you for this message. In fact, Shusha Mame, different colors, one people. Shusha Mame, na afe, mean to me, mebo, different colors, one people. Regardless of our race, ethnicity, religion, whatever, we are one people. Mami ko Facebook, na afe, amo amuchia me, good morning, me jemoso, Efo Komi, Fiscal Reloaded, thank you. Medasibebre, Johnson Ado Kwame, thank you. Don Johnson Augustine, I was watching you live from Spain. Good work, thank you. Johnson Ado Kwame again. I was Asempa, good morning, please. How far with the ambulance issue from Cape Coast? God bless you. I'm not sure about just say what's now. So you'll be my update. Why? With the ambulance issue, made us be brave. I'm not sure about no my updates. Yeah, boy, then what to say? No, my all the updates. But you be a crown. Why? Nice environment. Talking about the school. Okay, made us be brave. Stephen Amachi, I say continue with the good work. Stephen, thank you. Grace Boatma, Asempa, why do you say you gave your phone to the guys around to take the video? Say mean to me a selfie because Obabeshe video night was a stand-up I was doing, so I needed somebody to video me. Why? Entina me the man or Grace me that bebre. And I say Grace Bio, I say everyone knows you took coverage, but why Grace me that bebre? I say good morning, Asempa. I hope you're doing well. May God protect you for us. Susanna, okay, Susanna Ionic Lawe. I said, the school is very beautiful, but someone's wickedness has brought the problem to the school. Ohima Asantewa, it's a beautiful environment. Where Miss K Dazi, kindly take off the video from the side. Some of us can't watch. Okay, Mate, talking about the CCTV footage. As a boss, nice one. Where Joseph Agbe Lekpo. Anna Edebaye said this woman has brought some difficulty to some parents. What if parents of the rest of the kids have nowhere to keep them before they go to work? Asemo. Okay, Kuma Savior Sairam. Good morning, Asempa. Greetings to my father Kuma Isaac. Okay, Medasibe Brisa with Edebaye. Regina Ameno. Clap your hands in Adebaye. Thank you. I'll say I'm very happy for them because they are all human beings, so I don't see anything wrong with them. But Asempa, please tell him to let the boys go to different school because the boys won't be happy in Achimota school. Trust God, they'll be happy. Achimota school will not dare victimize their boys. They will not even try. Because the idea Obia dream say ebesi NC. Trust Achimota school to handle the boys professionally. Because if they dare, there be Amonyampo, members of my dream, Huntina Mancano. I said, this human rights law, our judiciary should also know that we have human left too. Why? I say, may I say, Maxwell Odro, clap your hands. Thank you. Bettina Kusi Ajmai, watching you live from a Tor Estate. May I say, Bettina Kusi Ajmai, we won. Okay, Richard J. Asari. I say, happy birthday to my lovely wife. Okay, great. Abusia, me bacho, me basisia na fe, yachwa and komachuchiano so.
O click so pay. The obetiani.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online e pa app no e be yi aba. Now if you want down.
Exactly there court no. Me lawyer, but you out there maybe we a lawyer. Obetimi ama nchechembu. Unfortunately, Ensaka a private legal practitioner. Lawyer ya wapon ewa humana so. Lawyer pon wotimi nka asomdwe nka wana pay.
Enka
Ebacho bibia boko de.
boko.
Yɛda ɔba de ase ona betumi ama nkyekye kakra de mrane ka ɛfa Rastafarian nkwala yi a ɔmo semba ya akɔpie mu wɔ court ma ya de sua kakra.
Yo, nyam. Nyam I think Baby, as I mean judgment I'm not judge. Enti once mo kan e be off that ignite some chrome
Lawyer Bacho facha me we line in flow me sign for a while na bien connected deal because you pese nya addition here Bacho mon frère lawyer mami na fe yento aso. Right, it was 24 minutes after 7. I think my interest in messages, you know, our Facebook. James Bimpong, I say good morning, Asempa Mejo. So Stephen Ochre, I say greetings from Sweden. Thank you, Stephen. Kone Chum, I say good morning, Asempa Mejo. So Bettina Kosiajima, I say cho. Say lawyer, you're upon a line at Tommy. Hello, lawyer.
Yes, I'm
great. As I say there, now we try so we know judgment, you know. But okay, great. Trust me.
And I'm a teen, so I say, men trough is I'm trophy on Suniho. And teams a cacran so about Bontino. In Kimi and Co. in Muye.
Right.
Now, never can say in your name. Namia Domina, Mantiano. And I'm on papa no man, that's all my force to the court. Near Honor said, Senior Debia Yakin, young Cosu Didier, or your team were a Jumanum. Say, Namima, I check this or my Senior Debia American. I check dear brought a being now, so you are in country. And it's our mind, a judge for Yaku could draw for. A judge for Moon Yanshu. Omo she asem a eda omanim ehon mra se ne omo te ase enkama omo aka enye omo gidie e o twedi ampon yankopon mu ehia papa enunti se bibi ba na ekinye ba krom na se ekuwie court fi se afamra ho a yentu na moni emfanko ho show asemu school omoja asem school mu dupe yi school ni ba kra jama e bia ne omo papa no mpe ngo 1927 aseka enunti ekukudam efisa school no
yeah
former president Professor Mills Semikaya me nkai badam se ya papa kufu az kran so fa hobby
sure
penifo enti ka we fa ni sebi o mo mo fa nchemi su kono mafo a sebi ebi a omo papa mo krampo eni di bia wo man mu eni sa etumi ADS ya enka court krampo na judge pro ho be popo no ma wakodi asem no etia o mo abra na ensesen ko ditia o
right
say be dia enka ubehu se ebe ewie chi na o man na nkasa nam na television na sukra be mu no enka no kran so betimi am ehu no kra akosuru yi pa ye to so miensa ende ebi akire ye beka ya hwehwemu mami o tran asem ni so no
yeah
ya buza so ofri hin
okay number 12 hin
yo si akire but me ka kuti say
Ebacho mame no kwa Chimota school.
Enye school nkwampo na meka.
Okay, ofi Probenso.
Ebusuya odom. Eni se bia ne hu ni nua pa na se ne hu bibi pa efi aban be mu ana don party be mu anka obehu se ese se nyagidie sronko ye court no mu eye. Ebi ze ajaji fo no. Omo nhwe busuya omo bo ɛna ɔmo nhwɛ adamfo ɔmo ne obi fa ɛna ɔmo nhwɛ ebi a ɔmo adwene mu sɛbi ɔtan a ɔmo ɔmo nipa bi a na nipa ko bi ɔmo nhwɛ ɔmo nyame so ɛkwan a ɔmo fa so nyame so ɛna edi bu atan woyɛ saa nneɛma nyina na ɔde toto ho a wobɛba abɛte asɛm a meka seɛ no sɛ yɛnya ɔhaw wɔ mmara ho na kyinye ba yɛmfa nkɔ court nti sɛ me ɛmfa nkyɛn a sɛ ba sɛ obi ka sɛ sɛnea mete mmara no ase ni wo nso wonte ase a fa kɔ court ɛma wati kɔmpae fa kɔ court ɛfi sɛ yɛbɛnya gyagyefoɔ a ɔmo bɛhwɛ asɛm no ne mmara ne ɔmo gidi a onyame mu ne ntam a ɔmo aka ɔmo de ato baabi a ɛde bɛto yɛde to hɔ na sɛ bi ɔbɔ so da ayɛ sɛ ahemfo nkyerɛ na ebi didi bi akyi wobɛtumi akɔ akɔpem court of appeal mmiɛnsa supreme court anim anaa nso anaa nkono ɔmo nyinaa no nso no ɔmo bɛtumi abu atɛn hyɛ asa daabi ne titiri a mafa fi ɛno asɛm a ɛbaa yɛ mu ni yɛkɔ akɔfa mmarakwan so akɔpɛ gyagye no atemmua no nea ɔde ne nsa ahyɛ aseɛ no bi na afei yɛtumi afa napɔso no yie yɛdeɛ wɔ ha da bia mofrɛ ne yɛbɛkasa na sɛ wowɔ ho asɛm foforɔ bi a kyerɛ na wabusa no
lawyer Mbacho ruling way wohwɛ bɛsɛte bad precedent ama schools in general
wode brɔfo kɛseɛ bi ahyɛ mu sɛ nɔpɛ me nom ti bad president no ɛkyɛ sɛ wobayɛ sɛ bɛba bɛyɛ anammɔn bi
ananhwɛsoɔ bi a
hɔ a asɛ nkurɔfoɔ nso bɛdi akyire ɛno a mete sɛ obi ka sɛ otie panimpa a ɔkyerɛ deɛ ɛnso ɔda kyerɛkyerɛfoɔ bi koraa no sɛ ɛne sɛ deɛ woyɛ skul yɛfa wo skul bi a wopa wotumi twa wo pɔnk wopa wotumi yi mpoa sɛnti amoa wotumi yɛ wo ba pɛmi ɛna wotumi bɔ wo ba ti mesh ɛna sɛ bi wege a aba a yɛ maame mu hyɛ bi afro na wahyɛ ne kakraa ɛna wopa wotumi asɔre yɛnhyɛ mpaboa ado na abobɔ fam ɛna meyɛ kɔmfoɔ ba ɛno nti me baa me kura nakasayɛ ne ɛyɛ ne naboduaba na di fiada a woma me kwan na me nso menkyerɛ me gyidie ɛwɔ me nyame a mesom no no mu obi nso busa sɛ na kɔba ne sɛ nti deɛn ɛno no deɛn na ɛbɛma ama adesua na nipa no bɛsua no ato kyima anaasɛ ɛbɛyɛ afoforo hintidua nkɔfoɔ de ɔma adwen kyerɛkyerɛ me megye di sɛ yɛmfa ruling ne sɛ nyamekaeɛ no yɛmmuɛ nanso mmara bi a yɛahyɛ no yɛse mmara no ani so no nnipa yɛ nnipa a yɛte asɛm ase sɛbi yɛwɔ nyansa ɛno na ɛma yɛ nsonsonoeɛ bɛda yɛ ne sɛbi mmoa ntam enti sɛ wankasa wofe sɛ ɔba ɛne wo gyidi akyi na ɔmfa ne nan mmɔbɔ fam ɛmfa nkɔ skul anaasɛ bi a ɛnam wo gyidie nti ɔba ɛnhyɛ pɛmi na ɔmfa nkɔ skul wabrɛ a ɔnom sɛ pɛmi ɔyɛ akɔraa nti no yɛbɔni frɛ no chemicals anaasɛ nnuro a yɛde ɛhohoro mu ne ade no ɛbɛtumi aka akɔraa no ti ama wanya sinsanso bɔne ɛno nti ɛsɛ sɛ yɛadwen kɔ asɛm baako a yɛahyehyɛ wɔ mmara mu sɛ adeɛ bi a ɛfa akɔraa ho na mmara no nso kyerɛ sɛ akɔraa yɛ obi a ɔnni mfie dunwɔtwe yɛmmu sɛ yɛ ho sɛ ana ɛbɛboa akɔraa no ne yieyɔ na setena ɛne ne daakye anaa ɔse the welfare of the child is superior to any other condition or consideration. Yɛfa Children's Act na ɛwɔ hɔ. Wohwɛ Constitution no mu nso a ɛno nso ɛwɔ hɔ. Domestic Violence Act ɛno nso ka bi. Ɛna wobɛfa yɛn Criminal Act no Act 29 no nso a ɛfa ne bi nso ka bi. enti si akafe akora yi enam ne fa hudie sonko a wonti untimi nka se waye ne tinwe tenten ana tietia ne de minya atimotafo nkrata o kopa the ma odun sashasi ni my friend prospectus no ni enye se tinwe e wanko an omo ti oye bia enye untimi utinwe so wo form dodo a kise sakora enye mbi mani bu na eno so wa ha enyo enti se no afem sebe nye mo mbuta ho se o fa bu fo ho atwa obasa kora
Jimmy
ye abofra no dia ko school ugusu twa ni tita kora na o de ni tina se bi ni ti kwankra na enyinye ewie boso ni ade na so se bi udi abronti no buta ho se akora no obtanya meka obroni se ne welfare no odi we ni ato no so ana.
Right. I assume said the kind of the asem se bepa. But lawyer nka wona wodi achimota for enim azomo legal representative o be person ka mo nko for appeal.
O da achimota the sense so mo ko appeal. Okay, who can achimota ski?
Yeah.
Nyo ne se me kan tumi no me so asem ne ba no. E dey me catch mpanimfo bi sabi kukomu asaminti mi nka ne ye nanso omo a wa afani ebi se asem we enye court NSS ye kama ewie kura enka ebeya enka abrewa ntupomansi so na yenka ofie
yeah
if you say enya semu efa emantie mienu nko aho efa oman ni nyina ho so make am po bedwam say oman pani se no enkwara ye ne omumpuntu ne omusuku sem dana koma so a otisi wo ka free education ho asem a otemu se fi na koma mu pa ye ebeye den na obere se bi akwara because enkwara nko school free education no ebebagu ne boa eni ti be den na se akwara bi ko school na ebi emare bi wo school bi nti ebetu ne hinti bia erede na ogidi se nko mampeni emmemu na nko obeka pa no ti na Ministry of Education for no minister na o share mampeni ase no so unim se minister bi adwuma bi o ya na o mampeni adwuma
yeah
na mum oye bi ama no ti se ne bonisi agent enti be na mo no beka se asem na mo ntwen san wa bra enyo mampeni na di na no atum enti na o sha efiase ni na opani ni nya nkasem ye kan ofie if you say one sha na fi nkware be ko school no sebi o omo na fufu mpa omo no mo school ho onja na dwimpo bi ato mutrim ewo mo ho onja na dwimpo bi ato teacher fo ewo ho trim onja dwimpo bi nipa o ato meni na ebu hwese yenso ye court ye senya edi asem ye friend adversarial sebi me kan ni twimu ya ati se ya kokon tokwa
okay
me boa se wo bom ya me readie mu ya me ya enti ujiri se mi shawa mesa o fa me da se na no bom ya ma me readie mu ya me ya aha adwen posru nkubi ba be da ma dwen no wa hwa da ti bia me nyawa mesa ko fa tokwa me fofo aba ndemom fie kan ofie na ba to afane afa chia wo monsem anke bia timin kofa epobi ana say me hwehwe mabeki okay looking over your shoulders so efa nkwara no so
yeah
omo gina hoyi omo kan me ne ye ka me ho asem yi ana so enkantiasie no eba saa me de madu me de me di say enka ebema ba tokra na we die ebi ana ba nkoto because court na hye obi
Jimmy FM
onya dia onu na dwimu no Omo ekwan ya omo fa so eye school ni nyuma ene kwan ya omo ankasa ahyehyɛ se sei ene be school ni nyuma no en court anhyɛ omo a enka bia ehu nkohia ma omo so mbɛyɛ nsakira ehu if the same American no hwe forms no na prospectus na akoya no ho te sɛ contract jo
right.
Oh, papa, no, don't say, Tratani be as I say. Your family bow school. Now, you say, Aquarano, on to me, no way, on to me, no way, on to me, money, 3 million, anything. On to me, money, 3 million, Emma from crack. On to me, none more, 10 be say, anything, if you are not more running, can't hold your such a me, but no, the fact.
Yeah, maybe that's
3 million, and knock it one of them, immediately send
right.
Now, what don't Sasha say we know? Nothing. Akorana ba school. Contract ni mun sem nyina treno. And I must sign. And a school no so adi atum. Afi o di akorana beba no. Ne bia afom ni suban na say na montuo bi afom sa eye nya ye di share contract ni mu a. One guy akasa ne wabu contract ni so. So court na kasa. Se contract jo edien yo eye fa ho di asem ne eka. Enti monye no. Eho no na me ka se wanye na bia na wabu court anim ti ama contempt aba. Enti bia ye beje no. Eye ni fa mani mu bu ne ma foforo bi ebim.
Sabo. Baldog, lawyer, young show now. My last question, and you. Member won't come beyond the silver corner. I say no, acquire or show such motor school engine Qualano. Na Oshan Qualana sitting our school honor Ebekoye.
And I may casa. O abebu mu ne kasa kono mu no se omo nyanu mo nye omo kwa cha classroom omo a church impenifo school ni so intimidate ni di kan no me kan se me kwa na me ye case na ana me na di asem ne bread me a enka me ma dream pocket wa mu die enka kwa no kwa de ni omo na me de omo ebeko se ko ye ko tu pa o se na ni di kan me se senka ye ho abobo e wa bonten abonten e ba jeta enye quarter
right
nke bi anka abato e ma afane afanyina de ni die agye nkwara no na nkwara no so akọ na mum anko ba ne sa na me ko court kura nka enam se emrasem a ye ka ene esi superpepe o court a ebeboa no ka me pepeni bi no de asem no ko akọ
okay
se asem a kosu okromu ni famra ho de achiniaba enti court o ya no say
said abeya
kan kwala no ho asem mpo an se dam
ambem okay na kwa general issue okay
enye fiewie court no ebi ama omo
right
so be ko appeal ana unkwa appeal there o lawyer ni o client ni be kano now so the atoto mra no
right
judgment bi o ho a the pimo aminia enimo no so be ko appeal o san ko kan mu ye pa na so client we there the ko appeal
den janesa
Nkosiaga
right
ana say nkebinti yema kamaina baby asimofi adwona
lawyer me fancy ana fe ye na wase bebre but futu etwa to nka tu awofo no fo a ka obeka say even do o ma wi ni so nkomo man kola ni nko school foforo
yeah and can say that emra semsa na so say in say bi parent enka ebia enka memo omo akomum na makoso ahwe If you say school, you so if you educate say school or mudim near professor for Afaho. The almost the funny say a mra any treatment saying a near yet here.
Okay.
Saying family no so nothing Korana or more butcher 40 years. Saying a judge no I created a mranin and unti and see this one. Nefi na ekoyi no ebi aye ni awofo anaso maimu ni nyina no yemfa judgment enye fapem ne pe akwanya sonko a ye behihya ebema teacher oman no na public schools ni nyina no ebe beye kanea ebe so ewusumu na ona ankwa ankopuri.
Right.
Eti bi omo de omo ko a eye be yen so se bi omo de omo ko be for but we hun say bi asa bredi school fufuru bi am ni ho so bi e be je omo e chan say emre ko kakra bi ana ni agita ko ye afi ba ko bi.
Okay.
Na o mat ne fi nsuma omo fie ba ko I think om di school no ba ko be ka ho ebi so ano mo mpe na ebi so ne se se ebi school am sa bosum ya batwam an sa kwa ni no mo nua no mo edika o asa fi sua de
yeah
enti o mo se nya me mpa bo na o kwa o mi o madwi mu na o mbenya na mfo ni bi o mde o mo notes ni ade be ma o mo na o mo tini broni ka o be catch up.
Okay.
Eno so hia kwa na nyechi no ko mbe hia psychological football. Now I am ready for my father. I was saying nipa ko or how be more.
Right.
Omutimi ne kasa ewo ejumadi no almost yanu enye futu keke.
Mate.
So you probably be clinical psychologist.
Right.
Now almost ni o ma come and quarantine timi ati afefe. Ehwehwemu na na mo pe. Ehwehwemu na ba. Ebe hia mpo se omo ne teacher fo no mpo bi. Ombe chro made ni bi ni mpo mpanimfo ni bi nso bekasa. Na se ne be ye na adwem po bi a. Quarantine be wati a school no. Ana say school no mpanimfo ni bi nso be wati ankwara no. Enti mikro enkoba sa se ne bi kan no. Ye di ati mu pa dia ye nyina ye nipa.
Right.
Court bu asem tia wa ya pe ye.
Aya samo. Lawyer, mama fa wonsi why?
Yes, ka bia.
Mate.
Na mutu munya bi ni nya bia.
Me bacho you.
Na koso ahwe na pos no.
Mate.
Na ye dia chire ye ho.
Right. Asum dwen kama no pay so ni atwetwe nkomo. Abusia lawyer ya wopon a private legal practitioner na tin nka no.
Jim FM.
App na behu bibi a yayi bia program dada yayi go na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trotro to na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohunu ni bo se multimedia stations ni na ho Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3 top.
Sisi ekwanfofo obetimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi itubebo Adom online ewo
Nemom me bacho ena no pe wu kodidi ana wi awo have lunch o wi awo se otumenya bebe fa wo menim Puma drink and one out here Puma drink. Be brave, be confident, be determined and be joyful. When you know benya wo Puma drink Puma drink a yeman kwala yeman penny for yemo bibia Puma drink. Upe cola ubenya orange ubenya cranberry ubenya tamarind ubenya apple banana kahombi yehina main boy pineapple tropical ebachonina Puma drink a whole new vibe Puma drink a 1 cedi 50 pesos per bottle to 4 fan or 13 cedis per pack And I answer a coffee fear to 4 honor. I'm going to be my 15 CDs per pack. I bought my butcher and more beans. Proma drink. A batch of friend number me day 2J 0262 351 251. Proma drink. Another quality product. Casapreco company diaba. Enti mamenko adwa sewa adwa asumdwe kan bio.
Kan so.
Boko de.
Nyame yado.
Ye de oba de ase. Na wani mu nyame fesa adan de na ekoso. On se bebe ya you akra de account ze kra. Pampa de na ekoso. Na wo benum den. Ayu azu be di dem so benum den. Aja de na ekoso mam home filler.
Nkrata na ba.
Sa afia do phobia na. Asinya no me de na ekoso.
Se mo Kofi Kinata mama.
Sa and we dey face me na me mbochi an ho say na me Kofi Kinata. Ai. Eka hano so dey be.
No so digress no, da no metoy.
O dey me hwehwe digress no ma ba ma.
We no.
Dia he.
No kam kan say. Se ko hwe mi klom.
Eno ya dia. Eno ya title ni. I wanna be hwehwe sanyem. Behind the scenes one. Okay.
Kwesi ka kira wana say.
Ai.
We ye adwuma we studio dey anwo me.
Okay.
Ne phone ring go have about seize it.
Oh okay.
What me for phone to vibration on?
Once I can home. I can but to the adjubrel because I know when you your face I will be come yeah. Over damage in the
yeah, my name will behind the scenes, Mama.
Okay, what the bon if I do not come.
He's the love.
It's in a minute.
Jim FM.
Abedin Boss. Come Kofi Kinata. Yeah. The hustle and a pa. On your ability to create. I had a yanda. In Billy, maybe me. She says, 1 year you man did. It's in a million, and
Jim FM.
dance so make a baby, you know, I don't name it. I'm going to win some as this is the question. What can they mean? They did a minke or the way you did the phone. So the phone pack is your phone. I want to guide you. This is the question. What can they mean? They did a minke or the way you did the phone. So the phone pack is your phone. I want to guide you. Daddy, no man with America, and I want in America. Hey, I'm going to win some in America. Is it when the was a big in a boy? Namina, I am such a name. Also, I mean, baby, that's a very party. Namina was a daddy. I will go over Namia. What's a guessy for more?
Right, I was here. I let you about just one night. Oh, Junior to say there. Walk Sunday school, I channel rhyme. But Facebook, better. I was here. Apostle Star Assurance. Your solid partner, CBG, will stand with you. Vodafone, together we can. Agave Herbal Center. Access Bank, modern banking. And latest from your partner for life. I'm going to say, I say. I was here. Didn't Apostle the bro. And channel your body papers. But Access Bank, say me can't show, sir. Now you can receive and win. Obe winning our remittance campaign. About your trend. About your Access Bank, say, we'll send this car, now we'll receive this car. Western Union, MoneyGram, RIA, ZPay, Unity Link, Wave, World Remits, Access Africa. About your Access Bank, 52 branches nationwide. When you receive this and this car, with them, again, I'll be winning. Actually, I'm pimping. Actually, any business shopping vouchers will be now. And I would to enjoy a fast and rewarding service for Access Bank. Yeah, what's we are say? Because we send you and I will receive this car if you are all over the world. The BBM will be yes, and as Mama said, we bet to receive it remittances directly into your bank account, our Access Bank, and also be providing Access Bank accounts and money back row. Them straight direct. Access Bank say amount true access to Africa and beyond. Or send their receive this card. And know you with their Access Africa remittance products, which in the Access Bank. Bacho, what thinking? Money transfer, I think Access Bank. You're fast, safe, secure, and rewarding. Okay, further information from 0800-004400 and our website ghana.accessbankplc.com. Okay, I'm not sure about yourself. As I say, my boy, come as ready amount, and this your mommy here. Okay, when you are serious, that's right. Yanko, why? Yanko. It is well. I said they want home.
After my bunny,
but that's a high five for being at as some Check. Okay.
My bunny party,
right.
I wouldn't imagine my own yet.
They say, why am I? I am yet.
Watching everybody the whole show.
That's right. They say, one mouth in advance. I don't got papers today.
Oh, Krata and Waba.
I am a dozen.
And I wish him happy anniversary.
I draw only.
Maybe starting media or cry and run 1 year.
I draw.
I'm a quiet and Casacra and 1 year. I won't cry.
I draw
2 years, sorry.
I draw 2 years. Happy second anniversary in Kamau. On him said, Fiti won't call our Bremen in our Damacomaso. You understand? Fiti won't call our Bremen in our Damacomaso.
I'm not at the team.
Yes, oh, I didn't. Yes, yeah, Uncle Tiasi. I must say, be happy. Many are Joanna Montiasi, baby, I fear yeba. Fiti a job call our Bremen in our Damacomaso. Now, yes, you read the month of June, a year month, no. I will be the birthday. The month of June so happens to be me mommy or woman. The month as well. Me mommy 24th.
24th.
Yes.
22nd.
We are 22nd. Me mommy 24th. Yes. Me mommy or chim me woman.
Me mommy 2 days.
Was it? Ajama. Enshira ngam live ma crowd here. Young copy person.
Ghanaian Times do Bokrata any dikai wa ha. The big one was say after massive decongestion of Accra, traders are back on street. On say Greater Accra Regional Minister Monya for Henry Kwati wo ba ye no. Panyini ye adwuma bia ye ni se adwadifo tena no mo ton de no na wo tie no ntemu ni wo tuo mu nyina ya o ma kwan ya dem na sa ko hwe sa ko na ko hwe
amase akọ
na say papa ne makurom eti adwadifo no jai o ma sa age kwan ya bo so mo ji loan na ye adwuma
na bi na waje loan na je be ton ade o kwan so
na so mo ni ba bi o mo ton
ada bi we kwan na ye be hye on say enema ni bi o ho adwo ye mfa so yo mo ntu on
It's got for your tosu edunsia na ensem no one center spread.
Yeah.
Rest of the man for be more 2 gens go from e be the phone case CB. Just obi ebodon komi e won kra kromu a e chese ha dwen pa. Na daily graphic so aba mane bi wa ha. Was say railway authority na dwuma no mo ye na ye den.
Right.
En kanka be bi tse kuma se ne nkran. Baby anka ye railway stop na ankasa no.
Yeah.
Oba kono man for bi age ho aboso. Ukotu no akoye kwan rail lines was man the compensation answer. Mampanyina manfo for the contract number.
Right.
Yeah, was so mufrasi. Na so contract and intimi ko side.
Asemo because
so manfo agi railway e so na nkrofo.
I
ka banku no aso akwa.
Omuntu won.
Ya won se ma ye de na ma me so aba mane wa ha. Daily graphic achi.
Okay.
Ma me delist da.
Oh, me delist. Me ma me.
Ma me say.
Me ten nka che.
Manfo bi adwene yo mo say. Ya num wi. Ya num cigarette because how on wo benum shisha.
Na say shisha no so.
Na no kura de hair. Ba ku wi a. I said 100 to 200 sticks of cigarettes.
I just say shisha na ya dia baso pa you to know. Mama beti ase o shisha ya dia dia.
Na say kura beach ya tumu na asa abra se kakra. Okwatena wa nim no ntimi nhome o. Really? Okwatena beach a wodi mu no ma wontimi nhome.
Eh.
Shisha ba ku wi de trefa pipe mu no.
Yeah.
Owie ba ku wi a. It said 100 to 200 strokes of cigarettes.
Wow. And I'm going for nom nesano.
E man kura nom chairman man.
Was it a man and nom chairman? I got fa me ko fa me ko be your money on mammy. Okay.
So free you on my kwa na no pona no de. Beach no so. But be say march chairman ma shi. Sir. And FDA and penifo akasa e no mo chese sa de no. E man no show mu yesa se ha je na China for so on say video bi nam national security for us already some premises.
Yeah.
Na no mo susu say konfobia sabi omo to chacha e na mo yesika omo di sika huja.
Okay.
Eni so omo ediem e wa ye asankregwa ti China for makwache omo nini mako nsia. Wow. E so omo to chacha bi wo ho no mo anche da ehwetuo nko a maje wo mo ho ni. etuo ka ho
we nyina na ekura mo
sika oma bodin wa ha ana afi excavator control board enso makoma kunsia ni nyina no mpanimfo ate wo mu a wono mo
Adwa the Chronicle sa story na denim no
story we no makenkan
yesterday wife then
makenkan wo de munya wote kwamto you so munya wote mama
wife chases then
kwata fra to so miensa abrantie bi afrim na abrantie no ne din Jonathan Aholu
okay
na ne papa
ye din wo baboni ye Aholu yeah
okay so memfiri ukrom
ma menkyere waduane de se om
eti Jonathan Aholu
yeah
Jonathan Aholu papa ne Solomon K Aholu
okay
no panyi Solomon K Aholu say ne ba Jonathan ewu ewu no wu ye no wode so boy Jonathan ne yire
okay
ene okwa yi a Southtown District Police Commander wase ntokwasi wo oba no okunu ntem
erade
oba no sesa ne makwetena ne maame ho
ntime ho ase
na wo frɛ oba no a oba no so oni phone nti wo frɛ si ne maame so be ma no frɛ si oba ne maame so na seso
right
ti da kunu ko ofio no hu sa oba ne kura phone no na de na okura phone na aka chem so oni phone de bia no me frɛ si
o maame so
eti apede meje phone na hwɛ meje phone na hwɛ na phone na hwɛ na ni pae na girl ne nsem ka ye no ko report ma police for so okunu abebo no na police commander I declare manhunt. Eti boy net is
Jim FM.
Kejane. And okonya accident. At the spot.
Okoda car ne born na say otu ne car.
Story the don't can say onya accident.
Onya accident.
Yes. Because my kind story ne pa.
Over phone. Phone. Na lady so I know yes sir. O phone ana o ma mo fresi wo ma me so.
O de bon sa ware do say egu a oba na hemra.
Okay. And you must start to shemra na ze egu. I must start to shemra na ze egu.
Ba na shemra we tu akwatena ne maame ho.
Na me say I must start to shemra na ze egu.
Me na me dem ho na me si me di phone.
The bio meza me tibi bia say maestro I must start to shemra na ze egu.
Obi wu asem de
no anu aka no.
Eno anu aka no.
Special experience no dey kase.
Okay. Emra shebe mu na ze egu no. Na ya omo ntimi nka ze egu na omo hihye bra.
Talk egu on tiafi. Into strategy.
Okay. Abusia Adom Sports page 1. Strategy ni ati ase. Come on. Abusia come quick break camera.
Hello.
Yo, Nancy saying.
Aluminium, Miss Rowe, me here on CCA.
That's him.
Asem bisabio.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And Apokuan Sunya 27 cities. Now, why was I saying here? Sika same na de labi.
Chama, hey, Shakunya na we.